Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to protect the 12V electrical system and prevent accidental window movement. Park the 2004 Jeep Liberty on a flat surface, set the parking brake, and remove jewelry. Gather tools: 10mm and 13mm sockets, ratchet, extension, flat and Phillips screwdrivers, plastic trim tool, shop rag, and approximately 2 hours for a single door. Wear safety glasses and gloves when handling glass and springs. Keep hardware organized in a tray and label any removed clips for correct reassembly. Start disassembly by removing the power window switch and its 10mm mounting screw, then unplug the electrical connector. Pry off the trim bezel and remove 2 Phillips screws at the armrest area, then use a plastic trim tool to release 3 plastic clips holding the door panel. Carefully lift the panel off the top edge and disconnect courtesy light and speaker plugs. Lower the window to reveal the regulator bolts. Support the glass with a wedge or a commercial suction cup while exposing 2 13mm regulator bolts and the glass deregulator fasteners. With the glass supported, remove the 2 13mm bolts and unbolt the regulator mounting fasteners. Carefully detach the old regulator and motor assembly. Compare the new regulator to the old unit to confirm alignment of 3 mounting points and the motor plug. Install the new regulator, loosely install bolts, reattach the glass to the regulator using original fasteners, then tighten the 13mm bolts snugly. Reconnect the motor electrical connector. Reconnect the negative battery and test full window travel, listening for smooth motor operation. Reinstall the door panel, switches, and trim after verifying proper function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.